Hey guys, this is Pooja. So today I'm going to give you some glimpse on what is inner work and ways to perform inner work. So what is inner work? Inner work is working on your inner part of yourself. So we all have hidden memories, hurt, pain, thoughts, emotion that are hiding in our subconscious mind, and we are living with it without knowing it consciously. So, when you perform inner work, when you practice inner work and work on your inner part of yourself, it will help you to explore yourself by going in deeper level of yourself. So, since you are born and growing up, your parents and others surrounded by you are started to condition you. They ask you to become like someone else. And when you follow the instruction and when you become like someone else, you lose your you become like some completely different person, and you lose your authenticity. So that's not your true self. That's not your true soul. So to know your true self, to know your true soul, you need to awaken your soul. And you can awaken yourself by practicing inner work, by working on your inner part of yourself. So we all know blame games. We all play blame games. Whenever whatever things happening around us, with us, we are always used to blame ourselves or others or maybe God, and we become victim mentality. I didn't do anything, it's just this thing is happening with me, God is happening doing this with me. No, that's not the case. Everything whatever is happening with you is the reason, because you are the reason behind it. So when you perform inner work, when you start working on yourself, your soul brings people's things situation in terms of limiting beliefs or triggers or repeating pattern, just to see and know part of yourself, just to see part of yourself. And when you see part of yourself, when you see yourself and know yourself, you remove it. You want to remove it, heal that part. You want to remove it. Until you remove it, you keep repeating this pattern. So we don't want to do that. So inner work help you to remove that pattern, remove those hurt, pain. So uh, when you practice inner work, you can easily move on from your past. You can easily heal yourself. You transform yourself. You know yourself, and you accept yourself without any judgment. And you can easily control your life, and you can break all limitations. So there are many ways to perform inner work. I'll give you some of the glimpse. So inner work is how to perform inner work. Like, so first of all, love yourself. What do we do when we love someone else? We prioritize them. We empower them. We trust them. We know them. We honor them. So when you love yourself, you prioritize yourself. You empower yourself. You trust yourself. You honor yourself. You know yourself. You forgive yourself. And you can do that by just hugging yourself and feel that love that you are doing with yourself. Be gentle to yourself. Say kind words to yourself. Laugh loudly. Put yourself first. That's not selfish thing. What is selfish thing? Then when you hurt someone for yourself, that is selfish thing. You don't want to hurt someone. Put yourself first. Stop searching outside of yourself. My basic funda is as within, so without. Whatever you feel inside, you will attract everything from outside world. Nothing and no one can outside of you change whatever you are feeling inside. So stop searching outside of yourself. Set an intention. What is intention? You want to feel amazing, feel good on your own. Enjoy your company. Stop people pleasing. we all want to like by someone else, so that way we keep doing that thing, saying that thing, that way we can liked by someone else. We don't want to do that. Stop people pleasing. Put yourself first. Love your inner child. Set a boundary. Set a boundary. Enjoy your own company. My favorite one is physical activity. Perform physical activity, like if you want to dancing out, working out, or play sports. Play sports. So my favorite is dancing out and Zumba. Zumba dance is my favorite, and just normal dance is also my favorite. And I also choreograph dances and Zumba. I have my channel, YouTube channel. If you want to use it for reference, if you want to just open my channel and want to use it for reference and working out, just working dancing for a reference, I'll put the link in this description box. You are very welcome to visit my channel, and you are very welcome to use it as a reference. But whatever you like for physical activities like working out, playing sports, dancing, Zumba, anything, that's my personal favorite. Then love your inner child. Another most important one is meditation. Meditate yourself every day, in the morning and in the evening time, both times. When you feel little bit drowsy, both times are very good to meditate. So when you meditate, you become a conscious observer. That's very important. And that way you can improve yourself, you can transform yourself. And make a journal. Make a journal. Like I used to write, set a time, set a particular time during day, and follow that time every day, and make a journal. Whatever is happening during the day, just write it down, everything. Don't judge or analyze things. And I know when you are in twin flame journey, you see a lot of angel numbers. You have very weird dream, and weird things happening around you. Just write it down, everything. Angel numbers, whatever you say, write it down. Whatever dreams you are having, write it down. Don't analyze it. Don't judge anything. Just write it down and forget it. Make a journal about it. uh, Practice mirror work. So at least 5 minutes, spend at least 5 minutes every day in front of mirror. And when you see in mirror, you will see things, you will see those things that which you are feeling at that time. So just observe it, feel that feeling. Don't judge it, don't analyze it. And when you do those things, when you keep doing that thing, you will see things which you want to let go and which you want to change. So uh, initially the most important one, I forget about it. Show and feel gratitude towards everything. Spread love everywhere. So when you I always believe, what you give, you receive. So spread love everywhere. If you spread love everywhere, you will get love everywhere. So spread love everywhere. What you give, you will receive. Remind yourself every time, and have a positive attitude every time. So initially you need to remind yourself to keep doing these things over and over time. But when you start getting closer to align yourself, when you remove blockages and wounds, you see things as a third party perspective way, as a detached person. And that is called inner work. So inner works help you to become that person, and inner work help you to awaken your soul. And then you just know your soul. You just That's your true soul, and you resonate with your soul, and you resonate with your soul energetically. That's what we want, and that is called inner work. So Just remind your soul and keep doing those things. Initially you need to try, you need to remind yourself consciously that, yeah, I need to do this, I need to do that. When it and it will become your habit when you keep getting closer to align to yourself, when you keep getting closer aligning to yourself. So alright guys, if you have any questions related to your journey or anything about it, don't hesitate to contact me. Till then, good luck guys, lots of love.